when you type in a query in here, e.g. Coca-Cola stock news, hello world, this code will return a set of URLs for the query down here. So first you need to install the Beautiful Soup 4 package. So you copy and paste this down into the terminal here. Enter, you run that. You do the same with the pip install Google as seen here, just run that then. Here's the code, try. So this is the try block. So if the code fails, it goes to the accept. So you can place in whatever query you want for query, and then it will return the set of URLs using this for loop. For Jane search, as you can see here, you can see the set of URLs in relation to the query for Coca-Cola stock news.